Just got to try and say a few words to the top. So I'm just going to try my best, eh? It's been a long time. Yeah. Kole ke tau hufanga atu he ngahi whakatapu. Ko hapu ngoa, ko maunga sukuvea. Ko au ko coach ai timi liki na kau ki ai pekia. Ko Petoni Panthers Rugby Club. O atu ai ofa me he kalapu ki he hoa mo i ki whanau a Palei. E ofa atu ki a asinate mo lama. Mo e whāwili hono kotoa. Maolele mai pe e kōni ke tau kaunga mamahi, whakataha, mo whakaha, e mau ofa, e tangata, ko Palei, mati te whaka. I kai hea mea, mau e mau ke whakanonga a ki homou mamahi. Koe whalala pe ki he e ki. Ko koe e pe, tene omi, ai nonga, mo e whie maare, ke tātou malo, o kore whakamole mole, pāki kai maheni o mahino o lea whakatonga. Malo. I'll just say a few words about this league playing day. He was with us from 2015, 2016. Last year, I won a grand final with BAH. I couldn't have done it without him. So I was very happy to have him. Also at the club, I was so wrapped last year, I've never seen so many Tongans come and play for the club. I was very proud. And they did me proud when they played for our club, all of them. But especially BAH, because he left such a big impression at our club. He was just a happy guy, eh? Happy man. And Aggie touched on it before. Yeah, she's right, eh? I've never seen a guy with such humble, eh? He'd be your enemy, and then after that, he'd be your best mate. And plus the way he played, eh? He'll play his heart out, but at the same time, he'll try and not so he'll like hurt you, sort of style. He'll give you the best tackle, the hardest run, but he'll make it look like he didn't mean it. But I guess that was just by humble and such a good guy. So I think our brothers over here got a song just for our man up here. So I'll just hand it over to our team over here. Hello, eh? Hello.
I wasn't going to say anything, but I might as well say something. Hey, My name is Tevita Moala Mafi, and I've known Pa for only 4 years, but the last year I got to know Pa personally because he played league with us. And Mounga has been playing league. He's the only Tongan that's been playing league for Palei Panthers, and then he drew all of us in, so we ended up with 6 or 7 Tongans at the club. And I got to know Pa really well just through league, and I thank God that I met Pa because he was one of the nicest, humblest dudes that I've ever met, and he trained really hard. He always enjoyed coming to training, and I love watching him play as well. I love all my Tongan boys coming to the club, and Pa was always our funny dude. He was always our clown, but you guys all know that. And every time Pa came to our after parties, he made our parties fun as well, eh? And to all the brothers that are here today, and Pa's parents, his sisters, and the whole family, just know that Pa was really special to us, and he was just one of those boys that everybody would just easily love, eh? And yeah, to everybody, and we can't really sing, so we're just gonna sing our little anthem. This is one of our anthems that we had. Pa used to lead it. He used to love singing it. And I just want you guys to know that Petone went through a whole more than 5 years of struggling, no wins for 5 years. And when Pa came along, he helped all of us boys, and our premier started winning games after 5 years of no wins. And then the second team won the grand final with Pa playing as well. Okay, and that second team hasn't won a premiership in 10 years as well. So Pa did a lot for the club, and also our brothers did a lot for the club, and we love Pa very much, eh? But we're just gonna sing a little chant that Pa used to sing with us, and he used to lead it every time after every game that we won, eh? Let's go. Everywhere we go, people always ask us, who we are, so we tell them, we are the Panther, mighty Panther, and if they can't hear us, sing a little louder, hey, everywhere we go, people always ask us, who we are, so we tell them, we are the Panther, mighty Panther, and if they can't hear us, who gives a damn? Hello,